Hello, my name is Robert McMillen. I would like to welcome you to my course, Implement Just-in-Time and Just-Enough Administration in Windows Server 2019. I'm a Microsoft Certified Trainer, Consultant, and College Instructor. In this course, we will discover how to set up and implement a Just-Enough Administration configuration, as well as a Just-in-Time scenario. You'll witness how Just-Enough Administration is configured solely in PowerShell and used by standard users who are elevated to become temporary Active Directory limited administrators. In a similar way, you'll also see how just-in-time administration is configured and utilized to perform admin tasks by temporary administrators to limit how many and how long users are able to configure the domain with administrator rights. You'll learn how to set up a Microsoft Identity Management Server, configure privileged access management, and use SharePoint to help you perform many of the tasks needed to administer a just-in-time administration environment. You'll also learn how to do this with Microsoft Azure using the portal. The same results happen in the cloud as they do on premises, but the implementation is much different. By the end of this course, you'll be able to secure your on-premises or cloud environment more completely with just-enough administration and just-in-time administration. I hope you'll join me in learning these great technologies Microsoft has to offer in my course, Implement Just-in-Time and Just-Enough Administration in Windows Server 2019.